look what we've got here. What's up guys, Moto Chris, welcome back to the channel. I'm excited. There's a whole bunch of adrenaline running through me right now. In this box is the new M4 performance exhaust system, carbon fiber, that we're going to be installing on my 2019 Yamaha R3. I'm gonna do an unboxing. Unfortunately, we can't install this thing today. I can't do it by myself. I really don't know what I'm doing, so I'm gonna recruit some help. I'm super excited for this thing. This thing is gonna change up the look of the bike. It's gonna change up the feel of the bike, and most importantly, the sound. I also got an air filter to go along with this bad boy. Let's just get to opening this thing, because I can't wait to see what it looks like. If you guys are half as excited as I am, it's gonna be a great video. Let's just take this time to relax, really take in the beauty of this exhaust, and really take in how awesome of an addition this is gonna be for the bike. So let's get on to it. We're in the middle of moving actually. That's why I don't quite have the optimal tools here. Normally you would be using a knife, but this is what we've got, so. Oh, come on. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. My parents are gonna be so mad because I'm leaving such a mess here. Oh my God. Okay, hold on. We gotta do this some other way. Oh, here it is. Oh, no, never mind. That's not it. Okay, these are just the headers. I thought that was the actual pipe. Comes in a lot smaller box than I thought it would. Here's the bracket, I believe it is, a hanging bracket. Come on, come on. I want to see the carbon fiber, man. I bet you it's in this box. Oh yeah, this totally has to be it. That has to be the carbon fiber can. It has to be, because I don't think there's anything else in here. I got this GoPro mount. It's kind of a clip, and I just have it clipped onto the collar of my shirt, so if the video is kind of shaky, I apologize. Doing the best I can, guys. What I could have done is I could have clipped this to the bill of a hat, and I've done that before. But like I said, we're moving out. None of our stuff is here. Here we go. Let's get into the meat of this unboxing. This is really all I care to see. I can see the tip of it already. That's what she said. It's an interesting smell. Oh boy. This is the heaviest thing out of all of them. No, never mind. That's actually pretty heavy. But this has actually got some weight to it. It's not all that light from what I thought it would be. 12-inch small clamp. Here we go. Let's reveal this baby. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, I feel so bad touching it with my bare hands. Well, there's like something in there. Sounds like. There it is, my dudes. Here's that. I got an idea. Let's go outside real quick. This is so cool. I just want to see. Oh, I can't really tell what the camera is seeing right there, but I guess that's what it'll look like. It's relatively the same size as pretty much what's on here already. It's a little bit bigger actually, but man, this thing is gonna look cool. Oh, this thing is gonna look so good. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I am so stoked for this. So cool, man. I am so excited. Wrap this back up. All right. Well, anyway, guys, I just want to show you a little bit of an unboxing of the M4, I guess, performance exhaust system. It's obviously not the, what's it called? It's obviously not the Street Slayer. The Street Slayer is more of a slip-on that you cut the cat off, and that's why it sounds as loud as it does. But this guy right here comes with the headers, so you actually replace the stock headers, replace everything. It's a full exhaust system, and you get this bigger can. I've heard that bigger can like this gives you more horsepower. I don't know how true that is. It's just what the guy at the shop told me, but if that's true, then I guess we're gonna get a little bit more horsepower after we get the tune and whatnot. I'm happy with the choice that I made. I think this is gonna look a lot better than that little short one. It's just so beautiful. I mean, I don't know really how much detail you guys can see, but it looks awesome. I love it. So we'll be installing this tomorrow. 2 days from now is when I'll be uploading that video. Stay tuned for that. In the meantime, I'm going to be uploading a video of the mods that I've already installed on the bike. I've installed some levers. I've installed some bar ends so I don't have crooked bar ends anymore. And then I also installed the R6 throttle too, which is amazing. You guys are definitely going to want to watch that video because it's like a $30 mod and it changes the bike so much. It wakes it up a ton, and it doesn't make it feel like you're on a beginner bike anymore. So anyway, I'll save that for the next video. But here it is, guys. The full M4 performance exhaust system. Can't wait to get this installed. It's going to shoot flames. I'm 100% certain of that. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.